Welcome back to another video on MooTube. We're going to look at the third section here, course activity in this video. So the first option is for activity list, which refers to this. I think it's also known as activity card, but now it doesn't look like a card at all. So let's call it activity list. Here we have this option. If you check this box narrow, then the icon will be small like this. If you uncheck this box, click save, then you get a regular size icon. Dark icon. Normally the icons are shown with different colors, but if you want to use a black icon, you can check this box. High contrast. Here you can see the background is colorful, a darker color, and the icon is white. So if you want to use this option, this type of appearance, check this box. Otherwise, uncheck it. I'm gonna use dark icon and a regular size. Click save. Okay. We have another section here, activity view. This controls how each activity is launched. If you check this box, show as pop-up, the activity will be launched as a pop-up like this. Keep in mind that this is the default view, but you can change the view for specific activity. For example, if you want this particular activity to launch normally, not as a pop-up, but you can do so for this one activity here. Use open, and then when you click on this activity, it will be open as a normal page like this. And here we have show back to section button, which refers to this one. So if you uncheck this option, this button won't be shown at the top of the page. Force redirect, if you choose this option, when someone open this activity separately like this, it will be redirected to the course page. Let me show you an example here. I'm gonna check these force redirect and click save. And if I try to open this assignment page, it will redirect to the course page and then open this activity as a pop-up. So that's the activity view. I'm gonna uncheck this. And activity pop-up. We have two options. Bottom header. Normally the header is shown at the top like this, but you wanna move it to the bottom of the page. You can do so here. Allow separate view. This is this option. If user click on this open, then they will be able to see the activity as a separate page. Let me save this and see what happens when we select the bottom header. Alright, the header is now at the bottom of the page instead of at the top. Disable pop-up on. This option allows you to disable pop-up on a particular type of activity. For example, if you have H5P content and you don't want to show H5P content as a pop-up. So if you select H5P here, then all H5P activities will be displayed normally. It won't be shown on the pop-up, right? You can select multiple type here. Show blocks on. Normally we disable or hide block. If you want to show blocks on a particular type of activity or multiple types of activity, you can select them here. By default, we are showing blocks on book and quiz because they are useful. Let me show you the example for book. I think it's in resource. We have a book example here. Here, we have a table content as a block. So if we disable this one, then it won't be useful anymore. So that's why we enable this by default. And the same is true for quiz as well. You can use block to navigate between questions. Let me show you an example for a quiz. Preview quiz here. So the quiz navigation is on the block drawer. Okay, finally, we have some options for interactive video. List mode. This one controls how you want to display the interactive video activity in the list of activity. For example, here we are showing the interactive video as card like this. So we have these three options. One is auto, which means the setting will be inherited from the activity settings, which is here. Yeah, you check this box, display inline on course page, then you will see the card format. If you uncheck this option and click Save Changes, it will be displayed as a regular Moodle activity like this. But if you force the option here, let's say you want to show the card, show the interactive video as cards, then you select a card and click Save. So it doesn't matter if the activity setting says it's going to be inline or not, because you're forcing it. Then the all interactive video will be shown as cards like this. The same for Moodle here as well. If you use this option, then it will be shown as a regular Moodle activity instead of cards. And launch mode, whether you want to display the video as pop-up or a separate view, that depends on this option. So we have two options here: inherit from course or section format. If you choose this option, then if we look at this option here, if you check this box, show as pop-up, then all interactive video will be shown as a pop-up. If you use this one, inherit from activity settings, because in the activity interactive video setting, there's an option to set whether the activity is going to be a pop-up or a separate page. So if you choose this one, then we'll look at this activity setting instead of the course or section format. Let me show you an example here. Close this. So right now it's shown as a pop-up like this. If I go here and then disable show or launch in pop-up, it's still pop-up or more, because this option I choose inherit from course or section format, which is this one. So I'm going to change it to activity setting. If I click save, now it's displayed as a regular activity.
Or more points.
Embed mode. So when the activity is embedded on the pop-up, how do you want to view it? Is it distraction free, regular, or auto? When you use distraction free, let me try to find, I'm gonna open this one separately here.
Then you already have.
So this is an example of the distraction-free mode. You only see the video and the controller here. If you choose regular, it's going to be a regular view for the activity. I'm gonna use this one and click save.
He has some knowledge of color theory.
See, it's a
Red and yellow make orange.
activity.
Yellow and blue make
Add
green. And blue and red make
here with the
if we mix these colors together, we get even more in between shades.
You want to add a description at the top, you can do so here. If you choose the third option, which is auto, that means the setting will be inherited from the activity setting. We'll click save here. Right now it's in distraction free mode. If I change in this setting to normal mode. Click save and return.
Orange and yellow green.
Now it's displayed in a regular view. So again, distraction free, irregular, and auto. If you choose auto, then the setting will be from the activity setting. And lastly, we have this option, force boost theme. So when you embed the interactive video, you can also force the theme in that video as well.